In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add paragraph to Webflow. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a paragraph element to your page, place it precisely where you want it, style it cleanly, and publish your changes with confidence. First, open your project in the Webflow Designer so you're on the canvas where you can see your page layout. With your page visible, head to the left side of the screen and open the Elements panel. This is where all the building blocks of your site live. Inside the Elements panel, find the Typography section to reveal the text elements, including heading, paragraph, and rich text. Choose the paragraph element. You can click to insert it where the blue highlight indicates, or drag and drop it directly onto the area you want, such as inside a section, container, or column. The highlight you see on the canvas helps you confirm the exact placement before you release. If you clicked to add, make sure the on-canvas highlight matches your intended location. Once it's in place, select the new paragraph on the canvas and type your content directly into it. If you're replacing placeholder text, simply select and overwrite it. Keep sentences concise and scan-friendly. Paragraphs on the web are most readable when they're short and to the point. Next, move to the Style panel on the right. This is where you control how the paragraph looks. Create and name a class so you can reuse consistent styling across your site. Adjust typography settings like font family, size, weight, color, and line height. Tweak margins to add comfortable space above or below the text so it doesn't crowd nearby elements. Use class-based styling instead of inline changes whenever possible to keep your design system clean and maintainable. If you need to check technical details, open the Settings panel. Confirm the HTML tag is set to paragraph for correct semantics. This helps with accessibility and SEO by signaling that this is standard body text rather than a heading. If you want a bit of motion, open the Interactions panel and apply a simple, subtle effect, such as a fade in when the paragraph scrolls into view. Keep it restrained so the text remains easy to read and doesn't distract from your message. When you're happy with the content and styling, go ahead and publish. Click Publish to push your changes live. After publishing, review the live page to make sure everything looks as expected.